Welcome back to another exciting tutorial on our channel. Today, we're diving into Jetpack Compose, and I'll be showing you how to create a sleek navigation drawer for your Android app. So, let's get started. First, let's create a new data class named DrawerItems. Here we will store titles and icons. Now, we will create the View folder with 3 screens, and the navigation drawer function that will be imported by your main activity. In this screens, we gonna have a text in the center with the name and number of the screen. First, we create a drawer state to control the state of the drawer, and a coroutine scope to handle opening and closing the drawer. We also set up a navigation controller using Remember Nav Controller and a mutable state for the selected item index. Next, we define our drawer items. For this example, we'll have 3 items: Send, Inbox, and Outbox. Each item has a title and an icon. This variable, screen title, we will use later in out top bar to show the tilt of the screen root. We then create a modal navigation drawer and pass the drawer state and drawer content to it. The drawer content is a modal drawer sheet that contains a column with the drawer items. For each drawer item, we use navigation drawer item to display the item. When an item is clicked, we update the selected item index, close the drawer, and navigate to the corresponding screen using the nav controller. Nav control navigate route. This function initiates navigation to the specified route, which is determined by the selected item index. Hopto nav controller graph find start destination.id. This parameter ensures that the back stack is popped up to the start destination of the navigation graph. Essentially, it clears any intermediate destinations, so the user doesn't stack up multiple copies of the same screen if they keep navigating to it. Restore state equals true. When this is set to true, it ensures that any saved state of the destination is restored when navigating back to it. Launch single top equals true. This flag ensures that if the destination is already at the top of the back stack, a new instance of the destination is not created. Icon parameter. This lambda function specifies how to display the icon and title for each item. Now, let us move on to the scaffold component. The scaffold contains a top app bar with the title and a navigation icon. When the navigation icon is clicked, the drawer opens. Inside the icon lambda, we use a row composable to horizontally arrange the icon and the text. Inside the scaffold content, we add a nav host with 3 composable destinations: send, inbox, and outbox. Each destination corresponds to a screen in our app. Let's start with the add-on destination jing. This listener is triggered whenever the navigation destination changes. Inside the listener, we update selected item index based on the destination route. We use a when expression to map each route to its corresponding index. Send route maps to index 0. Inbox route maps to index 1. Outbox route maps to index 2. If the route does not match any of the defined routes, it defaults to index 0. Next, we set up the nav host, which defines our navigation graph and the screens in our app. Inside the nav host, we define the different destinations using the composable function. Each composable function defines a route and its corresponding screen. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow developers. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!